In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use your EBT cash benefit card on Cash App and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you open up the latest version of Cash App on your phone and you go to your banking page where you can manage the linked banks and linked debit and credit cards, you will notice that while you may have the option of adding a card, when you select it, you will be prompted to add a usual debit or credit card. Besides the option to add your bank and a credit or debit card, you won't see the option to link different cards like your EBT card. By going back to the main menu, maybe trying to add cash or getting a prompt to send money to someone using a different payment method, you will notice that there is no option to use the EBT card that you have. So, as it stands today, is there any method to bypass this and link your EBT cash benefit card to Cash App in order to send money to others and make purchases? Sadly, as it stands today, Cash App will only accept the usual payment methods, so you will only be able to link a bank and a debit or credit card. There is no way to bypass this and link, for example, an EBT card to Cash App, as they do not accept it inside of the app. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that Cash App does not accept your EBT card in order to transfer or receive money and to make purchases. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.